No.
You up? Why don't you guys do some dinosaur moves out there on the floor?
I'll show you.
Why don't you guys do some dinosaur moves out there on the floor? Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You're too close. Back up a little
Mommy. Yeah.
You're too close. Back up a little bit. You're too close, boys.
Oh.
Back up a little bit, please.
Oh.
Why don't you guys go be dinosaurs? Who's the Triceratops? Who's the Tyrannosaurus Rex?
I get you, T-Rex.
Hey, William, what's your shirt say?
Big brother.
You're reading it backwards, but that's what it says. Big brother.
That's a big brother.
Are you a big brother?
Big one.
Yeah. Who's your little brother?
Baby Duke.
That's right, baby Jack. You know, you don't have to call him baby Jack. You can just call him Jack.
Baby Jack. Baby Jack.
Oh.
Jack. Baby Jack. Baby
You're too close. You're too close to the screen. Scoot back a little bit.
Here, right over here.
Well, I wonder what time Costco opens.
You're too close. Look, you're too close to the screen. You can't even see you.
Doesn't it open at like 10?
You guys are too close. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit, okay?
It's in my son. It's
Get in the middle, Emma.
You'll be on your birthday party. You'll try Triceratops.
I need another burp cloth. Hey, can you get the burp cloth behind the pillow over here? James, over here. Over there. Behind that pillow, there's a burp cloth.
Nope, behind the pillow.
Behind the pillow.
Nope, look up there in the... yep, right there. You got it. Good job.
Do I have it?
Yeah.
Thank you. You just keep growing up. Huh?
Baby.